Hello! For the Jen Stark Clover art project, you are going to need a piece of white paper, a pencil, black marker, and colored markers. If you do not have colored markers, you could use highlighters, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you prefer. Okay, so some of you might be wondering, who is Jen Stark? Jen Stark is a contemporary artist, which means she's alive and still making art. And she is known for these bright, colorful, almost kind of flowing um, artwork. And so a lot of times I have done projects in school where we recreate these kind of flowing drips. She uses a lot of bright colors, a lot of rainbow patterns, and also mixes in some just black and white sections. Okay, so think about when you are designing your clover, kind of what do you want to do? Do you want to do a rainbow pattern? Do you want to just do a colorful pattern? Do you want to incorporate black and white? So yeah, so first step of this project, you are going to take your white paper, and I put a little dot in the middle, and then um, sorry, that was making a noise. Um, so I put a little dot in the middle, and then I'm drawing 4 hearts. These are going to be the leaves of our clover, and I know it's a little bit hard to see. Sorry with my camera. And so it should be all connecting at that one point, okay? So you might have to kind of take your time, try your best to get them all connected, and then you want to add somewhere a stem for your clover, okay? This next part, I'm going pretty fast, but it's essentially me just coloring. So you want to think about, like I said, do you want to do a rainbow pattern like she did, or do you want to do your own colorful pattern? So in this first clover, just did the rainbow, kind of filling it in, and then my next one, I just did black and white. This one I also did rainbow again, but I started with the end of the rainbow and kind of worked my way into the middle of the rainbow. And then I did another black and white one, but like a thinner design, okay? You can have the complete total freedom to decorate and color this however you want. If you want to incorporate maybe some drips like she does in her art, or maybe other aspects around the outside, go for it. Yeah, it's a pretty simple, colorful project trying to think about St. Patrick's Day, so that's why we're doing a little clover. If you happen to do this project, please send me a picture so I can give you a shout out in the School Laker newsletter. And I love to see what you're creating at home. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. All right. Bye.